How to rotate and save a video in VLC Media Player. First, open the VLC Media Player. Click on the Media in the top left corner and then click on Open File, or you can press Ctrl+O on your keyboard on Windows or Command+O on Mac. Select the video file from your computer you want to rotate and open it. Now pause the video and click on Tools. From the menu, select Effects and Filters or press Ctrl+E on Windows or Command+E on Mac. On this window, go to the Video Effects tab. Now here go to Geometry tab and check the Transform option. You can rotate your video by 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 270 degrees, or you can flip your video horizontally or vertically as well. If you click on the Rotate option, you can also rotate your video into a specific rotation angle. Once all done, click on Save and close this window. That's it for this video. I hope this helped. Please like this video and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.